Good morning student. In previous video we will study use of plastic and 4R principle to reduce plastic waste. Fiber wise, don't throw plastic bags in the water bodies or on the road. I think you are very much understand that part. What are the problems behind it? Take a cotton carry bag or jute bag or any bag for the shopping. It may be synthetic also, but it should be reusable. Try to minimize the use of plastic material. In place of that, use a steel lunchbox instead of plastic ones, etc. So there are so many ways by which you can reduce the plastic. What you have learned, go through the chapter and this summary very well, and come to the keywords. Acrylic, this is artificial wool, artificial silk, this is rayon, nylon, strongest fiber, and first man-made fiber. Plastic are also polymer, but these are the cross-linked polymer. पॉलीएस्टर, इसमें जो मोनोमर यूनिट है वो एस्टर है. सो पॉलीमर ऑफ द एस्टर, जाइंट मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एस्टर इज नोन एज पॉलीएस्टर. दैट मीन्स इट फॉर्म बाय द joining molecules together. Polymer that formed by the monomer unit, it is a huge molecule and it can function as a plastic and fiber. If it is synthetic fiber, it will be linear polymer, and if it is the plastic, that will be the cross-linked polymer. Polythene, this is the polymer of ethylene, and so many use polythene bags, wrapping paper, etc. Rayon, again it is artificial fiber. This artificial silk is different from the other synthetic fiber because its raw material is natural material, that is wood pulp. Synthetic fiber, these are the fiber prepared by petrochemicals in the factories. Styrene, it is also a polyester, that is a type of ester fiber, polyester fiber. Thermoplastic, they bend, they melt on heating, and they can be remolded. So these are the thermoplastic. Example, PVC, polythene, polypropylene, etc. Thermosetting plastic, they cannot bend, they are very hard, tough, bad conductor of heat and electricity, दोनों ही होते हैं. And it cannot be recycled on heating. It can't be reused, can't be melt. So these are the property of thermosetting plastic. We will study only two, that is one is bakelite and other is melamine. So these are thermosetting plastic. Now come to the exercise. Number 1, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Because they prepared by the raw material, petrochemicals raw material in the factories, so they known as a synthetic fiber. Mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fiber because it obtained from the wood pulp. जो मैंने अभी बताया था कि इसमें raw material wood pulp है, बाकी सारे synthetic fiber totally synthetic हैं. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called man-made or artificial fibers. Synthetic fibers synthesized from raw material called petrochemicals. Like synthetic fiber, plastic is also a polymer. Give example which indicate that nylon fiber are very strong. Any for example, 4 application can be given. That is, nylon used to prepare rope used for the mountain climbing. Number 2 used to prepare parachute. Number 3 used to prepare car seat belts. Number 4 used to prepare tents, etc. So these are the application of nylon that prove that it is very strong. Explain why plastic container are favored for storing food. Because airtight container plastic can be prepared, light in weight, and it's the most important part, plastic do not react with the food material. It is totally inert. And fourth important part, it is not affected by the microbe also. Question number 6, explain the difference between thermosetting and thermoplastic. So you can difference between them line by line. Thermoplastic can bend, thermosetting cannot be bent. Thermoplastic can be melt on heating, it cannot be melt on heating. Next, it can be recycled and prepare new objects by melting it, but it cannot be recycled because on heating it can't melt, so cannot be remolded. So, an example for the thermoplastic: polystyrene, polypropylene, poly-PVC, polythene, etc. Thermosetting plastic, only 2 example you have to learn: melamine and bakelite. Question number 7, explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastic. Saucepan handle, because thermosetting plastic poor conductor of heat, so saucepan handle prepared by thermosetting plastic. Electric plug, switches, plug board, etc. Thermosetting plastic is bad conductor, poor conductor of electricity also. Hence, it is used to prepare electrical appliances, instruments, etc. Question number 8. Categorize the material of the following products into can be recycled or cannot be recycled. Telephone instrument cannot be. Plastic toy, yes. Cooker handle, no. Carry bag, yes. Ballpoint pen, yes. Plastic bowls, yes. Plastic covering electric wire, yes. Plastic chair, yes. Electrical switches, no. So in this way you can be separate out them as can be recycled or cannot be recycled. Question number 9. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should be buy cotton shirt made by synthetic. He should buy cotton shirt because cotton is good absorber of sweat. जब कॉटन शर्ट स्वेट को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है तो वो लार्ज एरिया में स्प्रेड हो जाता है एंड एवेपोरेट बिकॉज एवेपोरेशन फास्टर इफ सरफेस एरिया इज ग्रेटर. एवेपोरेशन के लिए एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है. सो वाटर स्वेट टेक दिस एनर्जी फ्रॉम योर बॉडी एंड यू फील कूल. सो दिस इज द रीजन यू हैव टू वेयर cotton clothes in the summer. Question number 10. Give example to throw the plastic are non-corrosive in nature. To show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. वही application देने हैं. Plastic used to wrap medicines or used in health industry. And second important point, used to pack food material. Third important point, used to pack different types of chemicals. So we can say it is non-corrosive in nature. Question number 11. Should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush is made of the same? No. Handle made up of different type of plastic and the bristles are made up of nylon. So they are very strong, less wear and tear, non-reactive with your mouth, and very strong also. This is the reason bristles made up of nylon and handle made up of another plastic. Avoid plastic as far as per comment on this advice. Plastic is non-biodegradable. It spoil our landscape. It choke our drainage. It create the problem for our animals. So many things are associated, bad things associated with the plastic. So we have to avoid plastic as far as possible. लेकिन बेहतर ये रहेगा वी हैव टू यूज 4R प्रिंसिपल टू यूज प्लास्टिक. दैट इज टू अवॉइड प्लास्टिक से ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि वी वाइजली यूज प्लास्टिक बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी वेरी important material. As the following: polyester, fabric do not wrinkle easily, that is D. Teflon, used for making non-stick cookware, that is C. Rayon, prepared by using wood pulp, that is answer A. Nylon, used for making parachute and stocking, that is answer B. Next question 14. Manufacturing synthetic fiber is actually helping conservation of forest. Comment. Yes, it's very important and वाकई ये बहुत ज़रूरी भी है और बहुत सही भी है कि सिंथेटिक फाइबर जो है वो हमारे फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व करते हैं. कैसे? फॉर ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन वी रिक्वायर ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ क्लोथिंग. सो अगर हमें नेचुरल के ऊपर ही डिपेंड करना है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, उसको क्रॉप प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमें लैंड खाली चाहिए जिसके लिए हमें फॉरेस्ट क्लियर करने पड़ेंगे. सो सिंथेटिक फाइबर कंजर्व आर फॉरेस्ट. नंबर 2, they can be dye in several colors. This is the reason modern lifestyle increasing demand of clothing. So artificial fiber only can fulfill this modern style demand, clothing demand. So this is very important. Benefits of the fiber is actually helping conservation of forest. 15 and also are water table also, क्योंकि synthetic fiber की जगह अगर हम नेचुरल फाइबर करेंगे तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक फील्ड में रहता है और साथ में वो बहुत सारा वाटर भी एब्जॉर्ब करता है. डिस्क्राइब एन एक्टिविटी टू शो दैट थर्मोप्लास्टिक इज ए पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. यू हैव टू यूज a tester as you prepare in the previous classes and free and attach with the thermoplastic or give an object. If bulb glow, that will be the conductor. If bulb does not glow, that will be the poor conductor. You go through the notes and take the proper diagram for this. Extended learning we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.